Alright, there's the quarter panel. Just the outer skin. Just cut that off. Get back up here so you can see it. Some folks don't know how to do that in their videos. It looks like it's really rusty, and yeah, in some places it is, but it's not as bad as what I thought it was going to be. See, there's a piece right there that I kind of got out of the way, and there's another piece right over here. I'm going to cut that out. I just don't have $400 extra for a whole trunk pan. There's the back piece. That piece right there. Votech filled it up with Bondo. Thing was hard to get off. It's not like a 2012 Camaro. They put it together, buddy. They put it together. But you know what's odd to me is it's pretty well the same process. Spot welds. These spot welds right here are the same spot welds that we got today. So I'm waiting on the back panel. I don't know if I'm going to put that quarter panel on or not. May get this back panel on. And then yeah, I'm going to have to. I'm going to get the back panel in, then put the quarter panel on, and then we'll move from there.